In the previous video tutorial, I mentioned that we'll get back to the options that relate to the booking calendar itself. So I'm going to open our first booking subject page, Pages, All Pages, and click on a page title to edit. Okay. Each of these two tabs holds several options that relate to the booking calendar instance that's going to be rendered with the booking subject post. In this case, booking subject post is our first booking subject page. In the first tab, we have a season range option, which is used to define the time frame in which the current booking subject is available for rent. All year long means that the property is rentable all the time. Otherwise, we can define start and the end date, and by doing so, people will be able to make booking only within selected dates. So if I define start and the end date, no bookings will be possible out of defined range. Alright, minimum nights to stay is pretty much self-explanatory option. It cannot be less than 1, and that's the only condition to this option. Standard accommodation price per night should be the price per night, obviously, and our test standard price is going to be $30. And the next option is used in case you want to create some exceptions regarding the standard price. Quite often accommodation prices differ per season, and quite often season peaks are followed by higher prices, as you know. Basically, you can define as many exceptions as you like. Each new exception allows you to define start and the end date as well as the new price for the given time frame. No need to take care about anything else because the system will do all required calculations regarding accommodation price. I'm going to define two exceptions for the purpose of this and the following tutorial. The first exception will be named expensive, and will last from October 10, let's say October 10, okay, to October 20, with a price, October 20, with a price of $50. The second one, let's create second one, will be named cheap, and it's going to start on, let's say, I don't know, October 25 to October 30, with a price of, I don't know, $10. Okay, we gotta update our page. Let's now take a look what's going on at the front end. So I'm gonna go back to my first booking subject page, and I'm gonna refresh the page. Okay, the exceptions that I have added a minute ago are properly registered by our booking calendar. You can see that the price is different for the two date ranges, October 10 to October 20 and October 25 to October 30, with the price of $10. All good. Okay, let's go back to the back end, and the next tab is Calendar Settings tab. As you can see, the first three options relate to the booking calendar responsiveness. So here you can define or redefine the number of visible months for the desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Other than that, you can show or hide price per night in the calendar itself, and add a custom class to the booking calendar wrapper or wrapping element, which may be useful in case you want to style up each booking calendar differently for a different booking subject. I'm just going to leave everything here as is.